Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the lehenga. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and hold the waistband near the closure. Gently pull the fabric away from your body so you can see the zipper or drawstring. This prevents snagging. Undo one fastener at a time, zipper, then hooks, or untie the drawstring, while still supporting the skirt with your other hand. Once the first fastener is released, wiggle the skirt slightly to free any stuck net layers, because small catches cause most tears. You now lower the lehenga gradually. Take even sections and slide the waistband down to your hips, making sure the net layers separate. If there are multiple tiers, free each layer individually by lifting and pulling the net away from linings and embroidery. This reduces snagging. When pleats threaten to tangle, pinch and secure them with a safety pin, then continue. If embroidery catches, pause and work the thread out gently rather than pulling, because force causes holes in delicate net. You finish by stepping out. Lift one foot slightly and slide it out, then the other, keeping the skirt vertical to avoid dragging. Once off, lay the lehenga flat and inspect seams and embroidery for loose threads. Trim tiny snags with small scissors near the seam only. If a net is stuck, apply a drop of baby oil or hair conditioner to the snag to loosen fibers, then gently tease the thread free. Make sure to wash or spot clean oil afterward to prevent stains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.